1995 to 1996, I done my ND on business study in Kwase Polytechnic in London. That is where, after my ND course, immediately I went back to the Lagos. That is where all my friends, my people, my family starting attach the poly to my name. But normally I'm Alhaji Abdulaziz Adepolawa. That is where I enrich poly. Since then, people love you to call me poly. That's where I enrich the poly.
Okay, aside saying your name now, aside telling us where you got the name poly from,
yeah?
Can you tell us about your personality? What kind of a person are you? I'm
a simple person. Let me say it in this way. My background education, I went to Holy Trinity Primary School, Ebutero. From there, I later further to Methodist High School. I finished my secondary school in 1993-94. Before I proceed to Kwara State Polytechnic in London, which is 95 to 96. That is where I done my ending. But so outside, if you don't near a person, you can't decide what the type of the person will be, because some people at outside, they can say, Pule is a powerful man, we can't close to him. Some people will say this, will say that, but I believe I'm a simple person. Because in my life I just hate cheating. They can't cheat me, they can't cheat the person that is with me. Most especially, let me put this thing in adding to what I'm saying before. We start the Poly Foundation. Before I started the Poly Foundation, there's many people came to me. You are a social in a community, you are a good person, you used to help homage, you used to do that. Most of the friends, most of the elders now came to me. I should try to form something like a Poly Foundation, which is we did. You can see, because on the last briefing that I did, in all my doing, let me put it for example now. This March is my day, is my month, because I was born in March 23rd. But no matter what, no matter anything, I don't celebrate my birthday in party style. I love to celebrate my birthday with many activities, because I would like to give back to the society. Let's say last year we built the mosque for society to pray, because we believe what we are achieving today, not by our power, is by power of God. Any person that you see that God is involving in your life, you have to take one way or another to pay back to the society. Do what your community wants. I don't do such thing with my own knowledge alone. I listen with advice, I listen with idea. When we listen with advice and idea, it's going to be collective idea. Then you can say, this is what to do, this is what to do, this is what to do. I believe with that, I'm gaining much from the friend and the family. In last year, we call our friend, our lover. I sit them down. What are we going to do for my birthday, my birthday date, which is March 23rd. Then we decide where we build the mosque. I personally took the approval directly from federal government, state government, and the local government, which is I build the mosque with my own personal cash without collecting anything from anybody. But we thank Almighty Allah. We done that next year. This year again, we are going to surprise all the whole world. We are going to surprise all the whole world what we have for this 2019 birthday celebration.
Okay, sir, you are still going to explain in details what plans you have for your summer. You are still going to explain in details. Okay, of paramount importance to us is how you joined the union and how you've been able to rise above the ladder to being one of the major chief aides of the NURTW in Lagos State today. How did you join and how were you able to rise above the ladder?
You know, I'm in National Union more than 15 years because people will not know. We thank Almighty Allah today. You know, let's say 15-20 years back, nobody can easily come out, present himself as a member of the National Union. Even if you have wife, then you'll be dodging your professional job with the family of the wife. But now we thank Almighty Allah because I believe when something is going to be greater, depend on the leader. Not we, is the God gave. The God is one who give us the good leader in NURTW today. For example, the whole world can see the step of Alhaji Najimu Usman Yasin. He is our national president. He is the deputy president of Nigeria local government. You know, when elderly or one elderly is doing good, we are at the back. We have to follow the right step of the good elder. That is where we take some attitude from them. But Alhamdulillah, we succeed. See the sample of Alhaji Tajudeen Agbede. Before this man came to the state chairman, it's my boss, which is I cannot deny him in any angle, in anywhere. It's my boss, it's my mentor. You can see when they are talking of national union, you see when many of the parks, you see woodlums attacking themselves in many parks in Lagos State before. There's no source like that in national union anymore. You cannot sit out in NURTW anymore because they have already rehabilitated wrong from the right in NURTW. First of all, I work at when the regime of Alhaji Shina Ajayi, I work as assistant organizing secretary of Eyeyo unit then, because our elderly brother there, which is may so rest in peace now, Alhaji Akim Davis, is our brother in the community, who was the past chairman on that unit. From there, I later moved to the transportation business. I bought Vanagon to some drivers. I myself, I'm a professional driver for myself. When I give them the Vanagon, the buses, you know, when they say they pay the delivery or the buses on installment payment. You can, because if you see the person, if you will see the driver, that know this is the professional driver. If they don't have buses, or the buses can easily ride, we will buy it for them. When we buy, let's say we buy the Panagon at the rate of let's say 1.5 million, we can easily put it as 1.7 million, but we will make him to pay the money not inconveniently. He will pay it unconveniently, you understand, but we will be paying a little by little till when he pay the money finish. After then, after I did the transportation business, I later came to Idumota. I know the union we used to say bí kò sọ́mọ bàbá ẹ̀ nínú wọn kò sọ́mọ màmá ẹ̀ nínú wọn, we normally sing the same because if you are a professional driver, any professional driver on wheel is a member of the great union, of the National Union of Road Transport of Nigeria. We are the executive on them because we have to take good care of them. We have to take the welfare because it's past my expectation self, but I believe in this work you still have a long way to go. When person is doing good, you should try to be doing it. When we are doing bad, I believe no one will go for one. Anything that you put your hand, you must enrich it back.
Okay, one more for you. Let's talk about the rivalry.
What?
Rivalry between you and one of the other chieftains of the NURTW in Lagos State. Every now and then there is a rivalry between members of the NURTW. The two names that come to play are Polepoli, Itoris Polepoli, Pastor Sulomo, Polepoli, Pastor Sulomo. And then so, paramountly, we start wondering what really happened, what actually happened between the two of you. Check by the water, you know what? At what point did things get this bad? You didn't join the union together. I'm sure you probably joined earlier than you did. So what is the issue? You probably want to tell us that what is the issue between you and another chieftain called MC Olomo?
Let me put it this way. There's no anything fragile anymore between both of us. Both of us were friends. Before I joined the NURTW, because we know ourselves very well, you understand. MC Olomo is not collecting any dues from any branch from Lagos Island. Why Polepoli is not collecting any dues from any branches in Oshodi? We are all under Lagos State NURTW, Lagos State Council, which is Alhaji Tajudeen Agbede Badu was the Lagos State Chairman of the NURTW. Is in charge, is in seat of all the branches throughout Lagos State. You know, there is what both of us we are talking about. Both MC Olomo or Polepoli is minor issue. Anybody can have admission. MC, well, everyone know that MC Olomo is having ambition. Likewise, Polepoli is having ambition of Lagos State Chairman. But now, you know, if there is no any something fragile between both of us, you know, let me see what happened last time at the campaign rally. Alhaji Azeez Adekunle Lawal, I'm not involved in any attacking of MC Olomo, but when two persons is trying to achieve something, from there then I say it's Polepoli boy, so maybe it's MC Olomo, you know. But with Taco Maitala, everything has been gone. because I will take that opportunity to thank our national president, which is Alhaji Najimuddin Yassin. Take that opportunity to thank Alhaji Tajudeen Agbede, all the National Executive Council, all the Lagos State Executive Council, all the Lagos State Elderly Council. I take this opportunity, this moment to thank them. They are all involved, because now we thank Almighty Allah today. Tunde Poli and MC Oluomo, we are one.
Okay, sir.
We are one.
Okay.
We are in of yesterday. Our national president is doing 10 years remembrance for our mother. Include Tunde Poli, MC Oluomo, Sego, Kudeti, both all of us.
Let me come in. Yeah. We talk about the fathers thanking the leaders of the but in between that period, after during that when the issue occurred at the APC party rally, how you were given the suspension? Within that time and now, how the union resolved? What happened in between that period?
There's a. Let me tell you one thing. I count the suspension as challenges. When in life we have to have the challenges. I count the suspension as challenges, because all the clip and all the video that they show in TV, there's nothing involving Tunde Poli. When the crisis started, according to the press briefing of the Lagos State CP, according to the public secretary of the party, they have said the grievances between the leadership tussle in the union, there is what occur the violence in the APC rally. But I went there as a member of the APC, because I'm also as organizing secretary of Lagos Island APC. Lagos Island organizing secretary. I'm serving as a secretary in AG. See, you can see the dramatic post that I owe in party, which is I supposed to be on that grant on that very day. But on that very day, luckily for me, I went to that grant to the rally with Alhaji Wasiu Ayinde Marshal. We climbed the stage together, we leave the stage together. Even when the crisis was going, that invited me, which is I went to the security agency to make my own statement with them, to what they want for me to ask, which is I answer them. By then, our national president now say, due to what the briefing and the press briefing of the public sector of the party and the press briefing of the CP Lagos, that the grievances, that's what caused problem. That is the reason why our president announced the suspension there. But after then, there's no way that's going to give a person suspension. That's going to do another clear, very fact finding on that issue. But after they make their findings, they know that I'm innocent to that incident. That is the reason why they remove the suspension.
Talking about the leadership tussle.
Yeah.
They talk about the leadership tussle that caused the crisis on that. That probably you said is the reason why maybe some people say maybe that's the reason why.
What you call? Let me. You know what something when something happen, many people can put it in many ways. What caused the fight there is not leadership tussle, because what happened there, we are not dragging anything pertaining to NURTW issue on that rally. When the leadership tussle of NURTW, you have to be the state council of NURTW. You understand?
Okay. Now there's a short from any time from this year, we believe that the tenure of the president chairman will be wrapping up, and somebody will come in. Within that period of suspension and when your leaders are coming, were there any kind of agreement or okay, you step down for this? Were there issues?
There's no any agreement on that. Let me tell you one thing. There's no any agreement with that event. Okay. You understand? The national headquarters is going to decide what is going to happen in all the 13 states of NURTW.
Okay. So with this suspension, wahala, and everything, will it affect your ambition to rule the Lagos State chapter of the NURTW?
The suspension is not affecting my ambition. You understand? Even the national headquarters have said that every person that having the ambition should try to put ambition as the corner of his house. You understand? When the times come, the national headquarters will decide what we are going to do. Before the Lagos State ESCO, we are going to do the national body first by the God grace, because the national body tenure is going to be by grace of my teller by August. It's going to be end. They are going to do another election from the national headquarters to elect who and who to sit in national headquarters. It's now for them to choose to decide what they want in all 36 states. You know, we cannot say anything on that. We leave that issue to our national headquarters, because nobody past and superior than Constitution of the Great Union. So there is no work that person is going to be involved. There's no any challenges. We partake on many challenges, but all the challenges that we have, God has occurred and covered everything for us. Let me say one thing now. You know, if you do your work as they want, you will be a progress on that work. If you don't do the work as all the national body or as we are, let's say I'm the part and parcel of Lagos State Executive Council of the National Union. We have elders, public and watching us. What we do, we are going to regain it back. For example, you know, I put things into consideration. In the morning, anything 5, I have to be at my park till 10 in the morning to make the true flow of the traffic, because of the people going to their own work too. You know, where we have our own park everywhere. Without we national union set traffic control task force to make the full flow of the road, it can be affecting of people going their own work. We normally do that every morning. After that, then we come back to our office. We put another document, and you know, there's a many issue between each other. When the one unit is having any problem between themselves, as I'm the branch chairman of Lagos Island branch C, Edumota branch, we need to call the unit and make sure we settle functions between them. We should let the union be going well. Yeah, if you're a member of NURTW, I can write to the public and politician. If you're a member, you can decide what you want.
Okay,
You understand? Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. You know, if you are a member of the National Union, it's not saying that you should not be in any party. Nobody can intimidate you to do by fire by force. You have to be this party. No. You have to choose for yourself. That is why I choose. Because let me take the opportunity to say it. As our father mentor say that Lagos is Otope. It's Otope. It's true. Because I know where I am, which is APC. We cannot disappoint the public. We cannot disappoint the world. I know the party that I'm going is doing something big and something that moving the Lagosian very well. As an example, who can compare Lagos State with any state? Let's forget about Federal FCC, Abuja. You understand? Lagos State is more perfect and more bigger than all the other states. Why? We all talk about. That is our own slogan. We tell Almighty Allah that where we are today. Ó tọ́pẹ́. Iṣẹ́ jàgídíjàgbọ̀n àbí iṣẹ́ ọmọọta NURTW yóò ṣiṣẹ́ jàgídíjàgbọ̀n. Ìjẹ́ ń ṣe iṣẹ́ tout. Corporate body ni wọ́n. Iṣẹ́ awakọ̀. National Union is the driver. Iṣẹ́ awakọ̀ is driver association. Ní ọ̀sọ̀ ní NURTW. Àwọn tí à ń wò àṣẹ NURTW àwọn ni ó jẹ́ executive member lórí gbogbo àwọn drivers yẹn ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ take welfare gbogbo àwọn driver bọ́kọ̀ ṣe ń lọ bọ́kọ̀ ṣe ń bọ̀ ẹ mọ̀ ọ́n sì ń gbé for example let me put it this way irú ìjọba ń sìn kọ́ fẹ́ bá àwọn drivers sọ̀rọ̀ àbí kọ́ fẹ́ bá àwọn awakọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ it's not going to be easy for them láti jẹ́ ni pé kí àwọn wá kọ́ máa sọ fún driver nídìí sẹ́rin kọ́tẹ̀ sọ́mọ́ ní pé ọgbẹ́ni driver tẹ̀wọ̀n wé ó gbé abẹ́rẹ́ níjọ́ kan ṣe é pé iṣẹ́ ti paradise níjọ́ yẹn àwọn tó lọ sí ibi iṣẹ́ tí mọ́tò máa kó